Yes.
Kasama ako dyan?
Now, the jumping spider is not here. Ah! This jumping spider is still here. Hello, Mr. Jumping Spider. Mind if you want me to burn my house down? Please get out of my house. I will burn down my house or just fill my house with toxic gas. Please get out of my house or I will get my flamethrower. Get out of my house, please. Please. So guys, there's part 5 and I was trolling you guys that part 4 was the end but part 5 was actually the end. Wow! Wait. I did not saw that. It was moving. The end.